Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. What a fabulous little car, just in direct from the last owner who just upgraded to a VW Polo from this. This is the Volkswagen Up. This is the by Beats model. 1 litre, 60 brake horsepower. Ideal first car or little runabout. It is gorgeous. I love the colour combination. Wait till you see the inside. Incredibly low mileage. £20 road tax. 64 plus miles per gallon combined according to Volkswagen. Cheap motoring. Very spacious little car. In absolutely outstanding condition. The last owner bought it with 10 miles on the clock as a pre-registered car, so almost one owner from new. Just absolutely amazing condition all the way around. 2016 on a 66 plate. Quite a big boot on this, nice and deep. Lots of space in there. It's got the adjustable floor, so that's the lowest position. Or you can put it to there, high position, hide bits under there. Nice and clean, not being abused or knocked about in there. All nice original paintwork. Split folding rear seats. All the loading area totally intact, no damage, no scratching, no scuffs. Bodywork, look at it, just absolutely gleaming away. Beautiful all the way around. No scratches, no dents, no scuffs, no marks anywhere. Love the stripes down the side, just sets it off a little bit nice. It's got the alloy wheels. Again, all the alloy wheels totally unmarked. No damage to those. Matching Continental tyres all the way around. All the front nice and clean, beautiful. No marks anywhere at all. It's got the black mirrors. Just look at this inside. Wow. It is beautiful. I love the upholstery. This is Alcantara trim down the side there. Beautiful white and grey trim. Red stitching on there. Absolutely gorgeous, I think. Really is fabulous. All nice and clean. Non-smoker's car. No horrible smells in here. You would think it was brand new. Honestly, it is absolutely unbelievable condition. Just very, very well cherished. 5-speed manual gearbox. And obviously the Beats is the audio system. Air conditioning. Stereo on there. Bluetooth phone connection. Media aux connection. All straightforward. Nice clear menu on that, and just look at the mileage. 7506, that's what it's done. 7506 miles. 2016. Electric windows. Interior adjustable door mirrors. And just amazing condition. Great value car in absolutely incredible condition. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full service history, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange welcome, great finance available. Check out our online finance calculator, apply direct online off our website. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 if you don't want to miss it. 2 o'clock in the morning you fancy it, click and reserve. And of course with full money back guarantee if you think the car is not as described when you arrive to collect it. We can arrange home delivery. Ask for full details how that works. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Any further details, please just give us a call. 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.